Eid is coming soon, and I want a new dress.
Of course, dear. What kind of dress do you like?
I want something colorful and pretty.
Do you prefer a long dress or a short one?
I like long dresses because they look elegant.
That sounds nice. Do you like any specific color?
I really like pink and light blue.
Those are beautiful colors for Eid.
My friend wore a shiny dress last year, and it looked amazing.
We can look for a dress with a little sparkle.
Yes, but not too shiny.
That's a good idea. Simple and elegant is best.
When will we go shopping?
We will go this weekend.
Can I come with you to choose it?
Of course. You should choose what you like.
I'm so excited already.
Me too. Shopping for Eid is always fun.
Can we also buy matching shoes?
Yes, if we find something suitable.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, my dear. Alex, Eid is coming. And we need to buy a dress for our daughter.
Yes, she was talking about it yesterday.
She wants something colorful and elegant.
That sounds nice. But we should set a budget first.
I agree. Dresses can be expensive.
How much do you think we should spend?
Maybe a reasonable price. Not too high.
That's good. We still have other Eid expenses.
Yes, we need sweets and groceries too.
Let's look for good quality at a fair price.
I will check a few shops.
Do you want me to come with you?
Yes, that would help.
We can also compare prices.
Our daughter wants matching shoes as well.
Then we should plan carefully.
She is very excited for Eid.
That makes the shopping more special.
We will go this weekend.
Perfect, I'll keep the day free.
Thank you for helping.
Always happy to help.
Welcome to our store.
Thank you. We are looking for an Eid dress for my daughter.
That's wonderful. We have many new arrivals.
She likes long dresses.
We have a beautiful collection of long dresses for children.
Do you have something in pink or light blue?
Yes, please come this way.
These dresses look very pretty.
This one is very popular for Eid.
The design is nice.
It also has soft fabric for comfort.
That's important for children.
Would you like to check the size?
Yes, she needs a medium size.
Here is the medium size.
Thank you.
Your daughter can try it in the fitting room.
Great. Where is the fitting room?
It's on the right side.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
We will try this dress. Do you like this dress?
Yes, Mom. It looks beautiful.
The color suits you very well.
I love the soft fabric.
Is it comfortable?
Yes, it feels very light.
Try walking a little.
It's easy to move.
That's good.
I like the small shiny details.
They are simple but elegant.
Can I look in the mirror again?
Of course.
I really like this dress.
Do you want to try another one?
I think this one is perfect.
Are you sure?
Yes, I feel happy wearing it.
Then we will take this one.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
I can't wait for Eid.
This dress is very nice.
Yes, it is one of our best designs.
How much is it?
It costs 120 reals.
That's a little expensive.
The fabric is high quality,
Do you have any discount?
We have a small Eid discount.
That sounds good.
I can reduce it to 100 rials.
That's better.
It's a good price for this design.
Yes, it looks durable.
The color will also stay bright after washing.
That's important.
Would you like matching accessories?
Yes. Do you have matching shoes?
Yes, we do.
Please show them.
Here are some options.
These are lovely.
They will match perfectly.
Alex, we found a beautiful dress for our daughter.
That's great.
She really loves it.
How much does it cost?
It was 120 reals, but now it's 100.
That sounds reasonable.
The quality looks very good.
Did she try it on?
Yes, and it fits perfectly.
Then we should buy it.
She also wants matching shoes.
Are they expensive?
No, they are affordable.
That's fine then.
She looks very happy.
That makes it worth it. Eid shopping is always special.
Yes, especially for children.
I will complete the purchase.
Okay.
We would like to buy this dress.
Great choice.
Please pack it carefully.
Of course.
We will also take these shoes.
They match very well.
Yes, they look perfect together.
I will prepare the bill.
Thank you.
The total is 140 rials.
Here is the payment.
Thank you very much.
Do you provide a receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The packaging looks nice.
We prepared special packaging for Eid.
That's lovely.
We hope your daughter enjoys it.
She definitely will.
Eid Mubarak in advance.
Mom, thank you for the beautiful dress.
You're welcome, dear.
I love the color so much.
It looks perfect on you.
I also like the shoes.
They match the dress nicely.
Can I wear it again before Eid?
Nope, keep it new for Eid Day.
Okay, I will keep it safe.
We will iron it before Eid.
I want to show it to my friends.
You can show them later.
I feel very excited for Eid.
Me too.
Eid will be so fun.
Yes, it will be a joyful day.
I can't wait.
It will come soon. If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.